Hey guys, it's Pork Chop. Here's a slight review or overview of my battery charger. It's a NOCO Genius G26000, which means it's 26 amps. This is not for the faint of heart. This will might fry a motorcycle battery, as it gives 26 amps. Mind you, I am a trucker. I have four about 900 or 750 to 900 cold cranking amp batteries. That's 750 or 900 each. It's basically a pickup truck battery. I have four of them. This particular model has a 5-minute charge or jump charge. You push that for 5 minutes, it just loads it up about 14 volts, 14.2 for 5 minutes at 30 amps. I've used it before. It does its job. And this particular model is pretty cool or neat that it will do 12 volt and 24 volt systems, as you can see. Basically, just hit the mode button and you select the battery type. Normally I do norm. In the wintertime I did do cold / AGM. I'm pretty sure mine is just straight class or division 31 lead acid batteries. Nothing special about mine. It will do lithium ion 12 volt. It will do these racing batteries, which I've never heard of, but mind you, I'm not into racing. You got that break in the line there. You got to press and hold the mode button to scroll over here. You can use it, I suppose, to as a power supply at 5 amps, as indicated. If you want to hook it to your car as you're changing battery and you don't want the computer to reset or blah blah blah, you could hook it up to the your cars. You remove your battery and have it as a power supply, so electronics don't go. This is repair. It's supposed to help. I forgot the term. Had to look it up in the manual, but it's supposed to repair a 12 volt battery. It pulses, desulfates, I believe, the battery plates. I believe it takes about 4 hours, maybe more. Consult your owner's manual. But this thing basically saved my batteries last year. They were dead. I was around Denver for a weekend in August, and didn't start the truck for a day or 2 days over the weekend. Had the generator going. I did not have this yet. But thus I ordered it because my truck didn't want to start. I was at the Loves in Hudson, Colorado. They jump started me for free. Very nice guys. And they after that I ordered one of these, or I ordered this, and when I got my batteries replaced, I believe it was April or March. I think it was April 2019. So about 6 to 8 months later, I told the guy, hey, test the batteries at least. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to replace them. He said, yeah, they're kind of getting down there. They're still okay, but they're at 50, 60, whatever percent. But he definitely knew that they were degraded. And I told him about this, using this about every night, especially in the wintertime. And he said that probably saved my batteries and kind of extended the life of them. Mind you, I believe in November of 2018, I was at a truck stop. It snowed. It was a little bit cold, and I didn't hook this up overnight. I think I either ran my truck or I didn't hook up my battery charger to my jump terminals in the engine bay, and well, I needed to whip out my generator and do the jump charge, get me started, get me down back to Louisville. Anywho, this thing is definitely worth it. I know they make other models that are much smaller that you could use for charging your car battery or tendering your motorcycle battery. It's pretty beefy. It's like weatherized or rubberized bottom, and there's a cooling fan and vent underneath here and here, the exhaust and intake. You hear the fan. It's not so loud, but you hear it, especially in the truck. It's not very big. This, I don't have a measuring stick, But it is about 15 inches wide, or 15 inches long, and about 7 inches wide. Thickness is about 2 to 3 inches, and it probably weighs 5 pounds, possibly. Check, if you're really concerned about weight and dimensions, look it up online or in the owner's manual. The internet's great. You can find just about anything you want to know. That's my little review of this. Highly recommend it. The clamps are pretty heavy duty. These are, a lot heavier than you would think. These leads are pretty stiff, and that's straight copper. You can undo this Allen key, I believe, and hook that straight to your battery. So these leads will not be clamps. They will go straight to your battery terminals. Make sure you secure those properly. I haven't even tried to get these Allen bolts off. It looks like it's a hex key, so it's probably an Allen wrench to get them off. But they're pretty. You go to a gas station and get jumper cables and stuff. These, are, a lot stiffer and a lot better made than those pieces of crap. So, I highly recommend this product. They do offer a range that doesn't give you so much juice, but for those of you who need it, this has plenty of it. That's all. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to stay safe out there.